Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. UBennett Parker bafowethu bebam-interviewer, ukhulume ngendaba kaGeorge Maluleka ukuthi wahamba kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi ukuhamba kwakhe laphana bagijimisa iligi, nanokuthi asayine neMamelodi Sundowns bagijimisa iligi ku-Kaizer Chiefs kwababulala kangakanani. So uthi nawa amagama akhe, uthi laphana bekunama-rumours already ukuthi uGeorge Maluleka usayine neMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi yena uGeorge wadicide uku-approach-a i-club, wabatshela iqiniso ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then sesayine namaMelodi Sundowns kwasha kwacima. And then-ke at the time ucoach Ernest uyasho ukuthi wabiza ama-senior players wababuza ukuthi bafowethu nanicabangani ngale nto leyo ukuthi uGeorge usayine neMamelodi Sundowns, let's compete nayo for i-league and stuff. Bayasho ukuthi amajita laphana ama-senior players nawo wavoice ama-opinion wabo, bakhuluma nabo as members of the team overall. Bayasho ukuthi naye bekayimember ye-team laphana. Kuthiwa uParker uthi he was one of the regular players, i-player vele bedlala njalo. Siyakhumbula ukuthi laphana ku-midfield i-Kaizer Chiefs benza izinto zenzeke. At some point bengibona nokubamba ibhande laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bebamthemba ngempela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uyasho ukuthi finally ucoach wadecide ukuthi ufuna ukumgcina uGeorge Maluleka laphana ethimini, even though sikazwile ukuthi usayine neMamelodi Sundowns, but uyaqhubeka uBennett Parker uyakhuluma laphana. Uthi-ke but-ke ubeliever ukuthi once ingqondo yomuntu seyi-somewhere ngeke asaphefoma the same. Uthi no matter how hard ezama ngempela ukuphefoma, uthi sonke sabantu, but-ke ngeke ukwazi ukuphefoma at your best once ingqondo yakho iseyi-somewhere else. Uthi sometimes ucoach bemdlalisa, sometimes engamdlalisi. Uthi leyo nto leyo kaGeorge Maluleka ya-affecta i-momentum noma i-rhythm ye-team overall laphana. And then uyasho ukuthi noPitso Mosimane-ke kept on going ngale zinto lezi zama-mind games, bekazisho ukuthi naye ufuna ukubhenefitha, i-Kaizer Chiefs iya-benefitha, why Kaizer Chiefs, why Kaizer Chiefs that. So uthi at the time bekazi uPitso Mosimane ukuthi bekenzani, and leyo nto leyo ikwazile ukuthi imsebenzele. And then uyasho ukuthi ibhola is not about physical part kuphela of ukudlala, but i-mental part. Uthi uPitso Mosimane wathola igap laphana in terms of using the mental part, and he ended up winning the league bafowethu. That time iMamelodi Sundowns beyiwine iligi, ayiwina kwesi-3 la iKaizer Chiefs bekumele iwine khona, and they went on to win it 8 times bafowethu. So le moment kaGeorge Maluleka iyasibonisa ukuthi it was a big moment in history of South African football, especially the Kaizer Chiefs. They almost won the league. There was a time Kaizer Chiefs beyilida nga-13 point or 11 point if ngisakhumbula kahle bafowethu, and then COVID we all went on a bubble, whether it's sports, abantu estradini savalelwa, and then leyo nto leyo yaba-affecta because ekugcineni siyakhumbula iKaizer Chiefs bekumele ithole i-win against iBaroka. Guess what? Yadraw, bekungamelanga idraw. But-ke njengoba sesikhulumile ngazo zonke lezi zinto lezi bafowethu, ukuthi what's next for ilokhunjani iKaizer Chiefs. When we look at that moment, I'm talking as if like it's that back those years ukuthi it's Kaizer Chiefs yeseyizwile ukuthi uGeorge Maluleka, Kaizer Chiefs beyi-wrong now ukuthi stop ukudlalisa uGeorge Maluleka, because uGeorge Maluleka yena kuma-interviews uyaqhubeka uthi yena besafisa ukudlalela ilokhunjani iKaizer Chiefs, and he was willing to give everything for the badge as long as besekhona laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, because bekaselelwe nje a few months kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ahambe. Abantu namhlanje bamnyanya kabi uGeorge Maluleka mabacabanga ngaleya moment leya, because it was a big moment. Sikhumbula uGeorge Maluleka laphana esiswini seKaizer Chiefs bedlala with ease, with a-flair, bekanaso leso skill leso, good pass of the ball, ziningi izinto ngempela bekadlala. Medlala, he was giving iKaizer Chiefs, he was giving Kaizer Chiefs so much bafowethu. And esikhumbula ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs at the time bene-squad, I think Khama Billat was there. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyu Khama Billat owaphefoma or wakora igoli lokuqala against iBaroka, only for iBaroka ukuthi ibuye ekugcineni yalishaya. Kaizer Chiefs maybe they overreacted in terms of ukuthi ba-release uGeorge Maluleka, angazi bafowethu. Maybe they overreacted, maybe they did the right thing because of uGeorge Maluleka bekazophefoma kanjani already. Iligi igijinyiswa iKaizer Chiefs, and then seyigijinyiswa i-team yakhe-ke azize kamhlophe ukuthi uya kuyo iMamelodi Sundowns. So I mean ama-mind games kaPitso Mosimane ukuthi at that time asayine uGeorge Maluleka, bekamsayinela nje ukuthi abulale iKaizer Chiefs, and vele uyibulalile i-rhythm yeKaizer Chiefs bafethu, nya wayiqeda nya. I mean that was a big thing. Masibheka i-history kaGeorge Maluleka ukuthi uyi-player bafethu was one of the most talented players of their generations. of their generation, one of in terms of i-flair nale way midfielder bekayidlala ngakhona. And sikhumbule ukuthi uGeorge Maluleke bafethu ukhulele kuma-development, Kempton Park FC, Pretoria University, and then first season yakhe professional bekaku-Pretoria University noma ngithi ama-Tuks. Then waya ku-SuperSport United. SuperSport United yamlona back to ini ama-Tuks. Waya ku-Ajax Cape Town, then he went back to SuperSport United. And then 2014 to 2020 bekaku-Kaizer Chiefs. La adlale khona over 100 games bafowethu. So he was highly influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs, especially last season yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafowethu. I mean, i-heartbreak ngempela for ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans mecabanga ngayo umfowethu ukuthi wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns laphana pre-season. But at the same time, into esingabuza yona, uGeorge Maluleke was one of the senior players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, senior players. I think beyana 30 at the time, if angenzi iphutha bafowethu. Kaizer Chiefs, they decided, or beyana 31 lapho nje, they decided ukuthi bangamniki i-renewal ye-contract, and then i-renewal, they offered i-renewal ye-contract, bam-offera 2 years, and yafika late le renewal because already then i-renewal mayifika kula batshela khona ukuthi sesayine neMamelodi Sundowns. Cabanga bamthole kanjani iMamelodi Sundowns, and bakwazi ukuyifihla lento until baze bamsayina. And then udlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyojima ne-Kaizer Chiefs kanti kasane nama-rivals we-Kaizer Chiefs iMamelodi Sundowns. Bamthola kanjani? I would think maybe because uGeorge Maluleke wasethembisa, iMamelodi Sundowns nayo ijimele eThembisa, but it's just the outskirts of eThembisa, indawo yakhona bayibiza ukuthi iKlorkop, not directly eThembisa, but like it's a walking distance from eThembisa, section yokuqala eThembisa, which is ePhumlongo, to ilokhu njani iKlorkop. So maybe maningi abantu be-Sundowns, yabona uma usethembisa baningi abantu be-Sundowns abahamba all over ithembisa nemoto ze-Sundowns, so it's easy for wasethembisa ukuthi bakusayine kuMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe that was the case. uGeorge Maluleke bamthola kubhabhuli, and sikhumbula ukuthi kubhabhuli bekuvale i-country beyivalile at the time, or before even lapho maybe they had engagements neMamelodi Sundowns, sazi ukuthi bamthembisa i-life changing contract. But funny enough kuMamelodi Sundowns azange alaste lo muntu lo at all, futhi udlala amagame amancane kakhulu bafowethu. Udlale amagame better kumaZulu compared to kuMamelodi Sundowns, imagine. And then after ukuhamba kwakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ladlale over 140 games. Waya ku-Sundowns ladlale khona less than 20 games, 20 futhi iningi kabi. Then kumaZulu wadlala over 40 games. And then waya after umaZulu waya ku-Kruger United. I-Kruger United i-team I think yaseMpumalanga, if angenzi iphutha laphana bafethu edlala ku-National First Division. Ngizoyiqala phi indaba yale team? I-team ene-record elibi ukuthi ayibhadala ama-player sometimes, months and months thola ukuthi ama-player awakhokhelwa. So yizo zonke izinto abadile nazo uGeorge Maluleke ukuthi ethimini engabhadala amanye ama-player sometimes. Maybe naye ibhola lakhe after lokho lavele laphela bafethu, after i-Kaizer Chiefs waya ku-Sundowns, ibhola lakhe nya laphela, zange kuphinde ibhola lakhe lasukuma noma ngithi laphakama. And sikhumbule ukuthi lo muntu lo waba khona kuBafana Bafana for some time, 2011, 2012, but after lokho azange afike kuBafana Bafana ukuthi adlala ama-matches amaningi. What a history bafethu, history leyo. It's unforgettable because of the moment eyaphula the hearts of millions of South Africans abafake i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi uyenza kanjani into enjena we-George Maluleke, ngempela uyenza kanjani. Inkinga of the problem. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa ukulike, nisubscribe.